Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the chocolate charm in Visit. So in this latest Visit update, there is a brand new charm that called chocolate charm. This charm is for special event, Easter event. And to get this charm, first just go to the Easter Island like this. And then once you arrive, just go to the front of the shops like this. And then just go to this area, this one. And then in here you can just buy chocolate charm that costs 6,000 coins like this. And then you will get your charm, chocolate charm like this one. This charm can use until 100 cards, and this charm will give you extra Easter luck while visiting on this island. So if you are trying to catch more event fish or improve your chances during this Easter event, this charm is definitely worth getting. And okay, that's how you can get this chocolate charm in Visit. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.